Hi, it's Gina Imperio of TMCI Homes, and today I'll be showing you our model unit for 2-bedroom with a total gross area of 48.5 square meters. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI Homes properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in this video. Thank you for watching!